My name is Adam, and I'm out here with the MyCanoe Solo 2. I've been paddling this guy several times over the past week and have really been enjoying it so far. I'm out here in beautiful Charleston, South Carolina, paddling around the marshes. This guy's been working out just really well for that. Several things I really like about it are, one, the portability. I mean, obviously it's an origami canoe, so that's kind of the point of it. But this one is just really super light. It's like 20 pounds. And so I can pick it up with one finger if I want to. I can, put it on my back if I can figure out like a backpack harness, or I can, just easily throw it in the car and just go for a quick paddle. You're instantly moving. It's very maneuverable, can turn really sharp and, navigate through little tight areas like, some of the little tiny chutes through these reeds over here. And I've had a couple other MyCanoes for a couple of years now, and they've been holding up just fine. So again, my name is Adam. I'm here with the MyCanoe Solo 2, and pretty excited about this guy.